Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of MT Jalom. Yes sir! So, currently I'm here with my friends and we will be unboxing this Japanese War of the Sparks. Yeah, so one of my friends Rob went to Japan and he told me to open this up. Then let's see if he will get lucky of what he will have. So, let me open this one. So, by the way, Happy New Year, guys, and hope you have a nice weekend and nice holiday during the what you call that?
Holidays.
The holidays and the New Year. So, hope you have your fingers complete until now, and let's see what we will have here. So, hoping to have a nice value for the box. So, let's do it. I'm excited. I'm hoping to get another set. So Rap, what is the most valuable card here?
Foil Art Liliana.
So Liliana still is the most valuable. I thought it will be Narset. So guys, help me out. So let's see. Opening pack number 1. So I will just skip the commons and uncommons. Maybe let's just go to the value cards.
Baliktad na.
Okay.
Baliktad.
Anyways, let's just open it up. Just to make it fast. Okay. See? And what we have? Vivian's Art Bow. Okay? Oh, we have an
Art.
first alternate art. So I'll just put it here. And the uncommons here. Oh, I like this card. Mano Flourishing and the commons here. So one down. We have one alternate art. Sorry lang. Let's see. Hoping to get a value card. We have this and we have oh, nice one. What's that? Vivian, right? Vivian. I'll put it here even if it's a rare. So let's just put all the alternate art here and that commons. Oh, I like this card.
Rights of Betrayal.
Here. Okay. Sorry guys. If I'm not yet that central, I'll just maybe adjust this for a while. 2 packs, 2 alt art as per Rap. Yeah. So Rap, how is your experience in Japan?
Cold.
You just find so many Hariru. Did you go to Hariruya place?
No.
Okay. Let's see the
No
next
time.
one. Okay, and what do we have? Oh,
Foil.
Foil uncommon. So we'll just put it here. And what do we have as a rare? Oh, Mythic.
Kepnet.
Not bad.
Art again.
Alt art again. So we did not miss a thing. We did not miss an alt art, huh? So far so good. So hoping to sorry, I'm destroying the
No worries.
box. Anyways, we have a mass token, zombie. We have this. And what do we have?
Mythic.
Oh, another
Bonto.
mythic. Back-to-back mythic. So I guess this is a good pack.
Okay. First
not
regular.
First regular. Just put it there. It's a
First
regular.
regular Prince
anyways.
Walker.
So far, we have been hitting back-to-back except for that. But
Mythic is a hit.
Yeah. Mythic is a hit. We have 3 mythics, but we are still looking for
Two
the
mythics.
value mythic. We have 2. I'll just put it here. We are looking for value mythics, so hoping to get a Liliana, Nicol Bolas, or maybe a foil of it. So, what do we have?
Red
Okay.
Horde Invasion.
Red Horde Invasion.
Regular.
And normal. Anyways. Oh, this cat. Like, this is a cute cat.
Neoform. It's a good
This-
uncommon.
A Neoform. Is that a Neoform there?
Uncommon.
Uncommon. Okay, that's uncommon. Okay. Let's just arrange this. Okay. Sorap, arrange this. Unboxing the next one. Hoping to get a nice mythic foil. Please be a foil. No, but it's a rare.
Living
Okay,
Twister.
let's just... Oh!
Alt art, Jaya.
An alt art Jaya. We have a normal Jaya and we have an alt art Jaya. Okay. Rabano. This one is a good card as well.
And comments.
Try to focus it more. I'm looking at the cards. Okay, I'll try to focus it. Yes. And what do we have? Oh, we have a mythic
one.
end!
Liliana.
It's Liliana,
Regular.
but not an outcard, but still a Liliana. So congratulations, Rap. You have the Liliana. Okay.
Cerebral.
Yay! Oh, this is a nice common as well. Oh, the Arboreal. That's the most used card now. You have the Liliana. 3 mythics in the pack, so
Box.
in the box, I mean, so hoping to get 2 more or maybe 3. Just wishing. And what do we have there?
Commence
This
the
is
end game.
right? Okay. And an
Alt-art.
alternate of Nisilis. So nice one. You already have the 4. I like the Arboreal, huh? You already have the
5 alt-art.
5 out art. So hope we got more and more. So what are the chances? Oh, the normal one, right? Anyways, what are the chances to get all the alt art here? Actually, I'm hoping for us to get all alt art walkers, but I'm not quite sure if we can do that. But I guess it's half, right? Half. Oh, the dog. The wolf, I mean the wolf. Okay, what do we have? It's a toy spotlight.
Deliver onto
Actually, I
evil.
like the art for this one. Oh,
Regular Ashok.
regular Ashok. Actually, I just noticed that Ashok has no eye, so this is a shadow. I just noticed that today. Actually, when I'm watching the Teros this week, I think I
Review.
just noticed that I thought it was a mask, but it's just a shadow. So I guess that's it. Please be a good mythic foil or foil. You have a rare. Okay.
Red Horde.
Oh, an
Alt-art.
Altar.
Arlene.
Was this Arlene card, right?
Yep.
That's nice. This part.
Liliana's Triumph.
Triumph. Triumph. Okay. So we are not yet half on the box. We have 3 mythics. And we are very happy for that because 3
Just 10
mythics.
packs.
Yeah. 10 packs. So what do we have? A rare.
Narset Reversal.
Oh, and an
Alt-art.
Dobin. Nice. Yeah. Oh, we have a friend who will come. Raymond is here. Say hi, Raymond.
Hi, Raylan.
Okay. You're so... I don't know what you're going for. I just put it there so that it can be categorized. Just put the trash here. And then arrange it later. Oh, I like the art, huh? I like the art. Tio. And we have
There. Alt-art.
Oh, alt
Domri.
art. Domri. Nice one. Nice. I like this card. I am using this on Eldrazi Pioneer. So that is being used now in Eldrazi. RG Eldrazi.
Yun
So nice. Yeah, in Pioneer and in Modern. It's being used now. So there's a brew for that because it has a 5 and it has a +1/+1. So Eldrazi are happy. What do we
Only
have?
one foil.
Please a foil. Ay,
Common.
common. Sorry. The last hurrah.
Trusted Pegasus.
Okay, what do we have for a rare? Is it a medium? It's a rare.
Mobilized
Mobilized.
Mystery.
And a normal
Kiora.
Kiora. Actually, I like the art of Kiora. It's like an anime that's inside the... Anyways, art for Japanese are all animes. I like the art of Kiora. And Nahiri. And Sahili. What do we have here? Where? Oh, what's
Elder
this?
Spell.
Elder Spell. I think this is being used, right? And
Regular.
Jiang
Jiang
Yang.
Yang.
Jiang Yang, I think. Anyways. So guys, please do share this and subscribe to my channel. You can watch many unboxing. So just to have a therapy on you opening a pack. So this is exciting actually. So, thank you again, Rob, for sponsoring this unboxing. So hope you enjoy. And what do we have? Mythic
Finale.
Finale.
Of
So
Revelation.
if this Mythic comes up, I'm not happy. Do we have an alt art? No.
Kasmina. Regular.
Kasmina. Sorry. Regular Kasmina. So far, we are almost half on the box, but hopefully we will. Oh, sorry. Casualties of War. So hopefully we are having a good time. So, oh, it's a regular Samut.
Where'd the Pegasus go?
Oh, Dovin's Vito.
Where'd the point Pegasus go?
Oh, I think I put it there. Sorry. Yeah. Let's put up the foil here. So thanks for reminding me, Rap. So what do we have? Do we have a foil? Yeah, we have a foil. And hoping it's a rare or anything. It's a common. What's this?
Ward scale crocodile.
Okay. It's a crocodile. And
Feather.
feather. I like feather. And what do we have? Do we have an
Regular
alternate?
art.
Oh, regular. Anyways. Oh, new form.
New form.
But I cannot read that. So I will not use that. So far, I think so good. We have so many alternate art, but let's just count it later. So hoping for a foil or mythic foil value card here. So we have a normal and
Command the Dread Horde.
command the Dread Horde. And do we have an alternate art? Oh yeah!
Another
Oh,
Wanderer.
it duplicated, huh? It duplicated. So it's not impossible for us to have a 2 Gideon, 2 Liliana, but hoping to get a Narset alternate foil. I think that's the most used. And Teferi. Please be at the ferry. Alter Art Teferi. Solar something. And art. Oh,
Tio.
Alter Art Tio. So that's good. You are almost being complete. The cat. It's the cat of Chris Ran who died, I think. He just created a portrait for that. Just a remembrance of his cat. Okay. Oh, the devil. Devil. I don't like. And what do we have here? Rare. Oh,
Sarkhan.
normal Sarkhan. Oh.
Heartwarming
Agents.
reunion.
Yeah. He was the best. They told that he was the best. Did I do good? No. You did well. Anyways. Okay. What do we have here? Foil, please. Foil. No, normal. Normal. Never
Night the
mind.
Beacon.
Oh! Oh! This is one of expensive and very good card. And the art is very. I like this art. I like the art of this. Very feminine. So we will just put it here, and Rap will put it to the sleeves because it have a very definite value. Yeah, one down. One target down. So we are waiting for Teferi, card, and Liana. And hoping for a foil Japanese art. But we have, oh, foil. Hope it's
Common.
oh, it's common. Okay.
Chandra.
Chandra. Anyways, let's just wait for others. So far, are you enjoying? Please hit the like button and maybe the notification if you're liking this. So as you know, I'm
that
just
bell.
doing this as a raw video, so that we will enjoy. Okay. So what do we have? Do you have enough alternate? Isa.
Alternate.
Two of the most expensive. Yeah, I like this. Ah, say hurrah, hurrah. Okay, now Rap will be sleeving that because we are happy of that. So far we almost get all that we like to have. Now, we are just waiting for the foil walker. I wish that we will have a foil expensive walker. Let's see what we have next. It's a story spotlight.
Enter the God Eternal.
And a normal
Theo. Neoform.
uniform. Okay. So far so good. We are up on the back.
Test
and
job
we,
Neoform.
yeah. I think uniform will be used in Pioneer. Especially now, we have Teros spoilers. So, hope you are enjoying these Teros spoilers. And what do we have? It's a foil. Please be a mythic foil. Anyways,
Finale of-
it's not this is not bad, but it's gone down in price because of I think what you call that, the Phoenix has gone down, and it's not
What's the rare?
especially the Faithless Looting. So you leave it and never mind. Oh, you have another
Art
Art
Casmina.
Casmina.
Let's put it there.
Yeah, you have a foil mythic, so I think that's good. It's not counted as a mythic. We are still waiting for one mythic. But as far as experience, the foil here is not that many as experienced by me and Vic. So hopefully we will get another foil rare and a walker. Please be undarkened. Oh,
Ugin.
a normal Ugin. Anyways, Ugin is Ugin. So we are down to our maybe last side of the box. Maybe let's check what we have. I think we will complete this all.
9? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6.
Oh,
Yep, 9.
anyways, what's the next one?
Roll reversal.
Yeah,
Angrat.
alternate Angrat. So we are enjoying the alternate arts, and Rapis are enjoying it as well. So hope that there's no more duplicate for the alternate art except for
Narset.
Narset.
And Perry.
so the Wanderer. It wonders why is it the duplicate. Oops. Oh.
Bioessence Hydra.
By Essence Hydra. And what do we have? What?
Out.
Alternate.
Braska.
Braska. Nice. Previously, Braska is, I think, a surprise, but now I think it doesn't been used anymore. It's a combo with Ballista, which I think was not used. And we have here, we have
Rare.
rare. Okay. We have an alternate art.
Yes.
Yes, it's
Tibalt.
Tibalt, the Demon Tibalt. So this is a good alternate art because it is, I think, this is the best walker ever. Best walker ever. So we are waiting for it to win to Soaring, but I think we will just wait. So let's see the next one. What do we have here? Not a foil. It's not a walker.
Cards Bastion.
Cards Bastion, but we have an alternate.
Yes.
Yes, Sahili. Nice one. So sleeve it because that's
The
I like
regular
that.
is not
Yeah, not that good, but I
not
like
that
her.
expensive.
But I like her. I like the art. So I like her. Yeah. And okay. What do we have here? Oh, not a walker.
Bola Citadel.
Bola Citadel. And what is an alternate
Regular.
one? Oh, regular.
Gabriel.
Oy. Paradise. Anyways. So we are down to our last 4 packs. We only have 4 mythics. 1 foil mythic. 1 Teferi. And I think we will have a foil card here. Please be a foil. Oh, it's a foil. And it's... Oh! Now you see? This is the duplicate that we want to have. And we are very happy.
Kaching!
In Philippines, this is worth 15,000 or more. I don't know. So congratulations, Rap. Please shake hands. So he's very happy. And sleeve it. And we don't care.
celebration.
So he is celebrating. So we have hit our targets. We have a foil Narset, a normal Narset, a Teferi, and them. So, Rap is very happy. And you heard the smash of a clap. Because they are very happy. Thunderclap. So that's a thunderclap formation. We have another foil and we don't have, no. We are waiting for a foil rare.
Two more?
And we have two more. So it's possible to have a foil Teferi. And we are very happy.
Or
Yeah.
the Windmill Slam. Eliana.
Oh,
Foil
anyways,
Alert.
please be a foil. No. Anyways.
Tommy.
Tommy. It's the boyfriend of Ral. And do we have Ral? No. We have the Angrat. And we are praying for this last pack. We only have one foil mythic. And foil mythic. But I think the box is enough.
Call mo, pre.
The box is enough.
Call mo. Ano yan?
I call Teferi. Teferi foil. Please be a Teferi. Oh, that's good excitement here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, don't
10.
count. Don't count it. Haha. We will cool the excitement. Okay, I will not count. But they are counting.
I lost count.
7.
Okay. We have these guys.
Mali.
We have these
Okay, check
guys.
if at art.
Out art? No.
Regular.
We
kaya
have, I
regular.
think we have a, I think we have a foil.
Oh.
No, did you take out the basic land?
No. We have another mythic, and this is now the foil because we have 3 cards. Hope it is a foil rare, which is
Well,
a
the ferry. Let's go.
Ha!
Come on.
We have a foil
Not bad.
common.
Hopper.
Okay. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have wildcat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16,
16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Alternate art, and we have one of the most expensive one, which is Narset. And we have Teferi and another Narset. So our guy is happy. And we have these cards that I think we only the value here is like this. Like this, there's a walker. Even if it has no value, feather,
Edward.
red horde, okay.
No, Jace is cheap.
Yeah,
Right
this
now.
is cheap, but I like him. Anyways, and
Overruled.
and we have 5 mythics. And a Liliana. So what more can you ask? So guys, thanks again for watching. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you again, Rap, for making me unbox this. So please remember, guys, MT Jalom. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.